Hey guys, welcome to my shop, and I've got a fun project lined up today. At least I think it's going to be fun. So in a prior video I did a SketchUp of a James Bond movie prop, and I'll put a link in the description for how I did that. But basically using SketchUp I created this diagram here, and it's got different heights, and here's the actual movie prop, and it was in a Q's apartment, and I thought it'd be fun to do. It may be a sound diffuser as well. It may have some of those properties. If it doesn't, I'm fine with that. I was just trying to mimic the wall art, and it's just going to be a total swag here because I just have the photo to go by, and it's hard to tell the dimensions, but I think it's going to be fun. I did pick up some 1.5 by 1.5 inch pieces of pine, and that's going to serve as the blocks. And I think one of the first steps is to set up a stop block on my miter saw so that I can repeat the cuts over and over and over again. I think it'll just be a lot more efficient that way. And then I picked up some wood glue as well, and I've started it right behind me. You can see where I've started it. It's just kind of a slow process. I've got to look up the image and then sometimes get out a magnifying glass just to make sure I've got everything in order. So anyway, I hope you'll stick around. Alright guys, so after doing the SketchUp, there were a few blocks in here that weren't exactly square, and I'll try to point them out to you. But here's one like right there and right there. They've got some little cutouts in those spots, and I don't know if they're like 30 degrees or what have you, but I had to pull up the image here on my computer and sometimes even get out my magnifying glass just to kind of zoom in on that. So I'm trying to identify those one-off cases that aren't perfect squares. Bond. James Bond. Karate.